Are you looking for the best 3D printers for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. Max engraving speed up to 500 mm per second. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed has increased by 10 times. Larger model creation, time saving, and energy efficient. The 4.3-inch full-colored and sensitive LCD touchscreen with comprehensive functions and settings offers a better printing experience. Brand's new upgraded Icubic 2.0 automatic leveling system in combination with tailored modular Realize Smart Offset to the Z-axis without manual adjustment. Z-offset can be customed to cater to various printing needs. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and few visible layer lines. Equipped with a high-performance dual-core Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, it provides strong computing power for faster calculations, execution of commands, motor control, resulting in 10 times faster printing. The one-click to detect the resonance frequency of the X, Y-axis and adjusts the motion control intelligently to effectively eliminate resonance vertical lines and bracket lines, ensuring printing accuracy and stability. With flow control, intelligent compensation for attraction and refilling ensures evenly and fully printed layers, enhancing print quality and detail representation. With 420 x 425 mm large print size, capable of printing models with a volume of around 88 liters in one go. Large printing size provides efficient creative tools for manual creation, prototyping, and custom design. Number 2. Tronxy Cxy3 Say DM3D Printer. The Cxy3 Say is a new 3D filament printer from Tronxy. You can get it as a standalone 3D printer, but more interestingly it's also available as a 3-inch-1 printer with an additional laser engraving and dual extruder head. And the price with these additional heads is quite appealing, currently around £350 or $459. The printer has automatic bed leveling, a color touch screen, a decent-sized print volume and a twin-screw Z-axis together with a timing belt that should provide more accurate prints. If you're new to 3D printing, I'd recommend taking a look at my review of the budget Creality Ender 3, that also includes an introduction to 3D printing. The printer comes well packaged and includes the tools required for assembly and some spare parts, including rather generously a spare hot end. The model I'm testing also came with the laser attachment and dual extruder. The user manual does a decent job of guiding you through assembly and setup, and there's an accompanying video too. The only thing missing is a pair of side cutters for trimming filament and tidying up prints with supports. My printer also didn't come with a UK power lead, but it uses a standard kettle lead. Assembly is straightforward and should take between 15 and 30 minutes. The upper assembly is bolted to the base with 8 bolts. Number 3. Creality Ender 5S1 FDM3D Printer. The Creality Ender 5S1 is a state-of-the-art desktop 3D printer that combines high performance, user-friendly features, and a sleek design. Equipped with a sturdy aluminium frame, a large build volume, and a range of advanced features such as a filament run-out sensor and resume printing function. The Ender 5S1 is an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users who are looking to bring their 3D printing projects to the next level. It slashes printing time for all types of models, resulting in higher efficiency and less power consumption. An all-metal cube frame goes with the classic Cartesian structure. The stability is enhanced by thick linear shafts, extra cantilevers, and silicone bed mounts. The all-metal Sprite direct extruder features dual gears of a 1:3.5 gear ratio. It delivers a powerful and uniform 80 newtons extrusion force, advantageous when printing flexible filaments like TPU. The special air ducts channel the strong wind generated by a large 5015 fan to cool the freshly printed section directly. The deposited hot material will harden and bond up immediately, thus less drooping or warping caused by overheating. It gives better overhangs, bridges, and more details overall. Level the bed quickly by CR Touch Auto Leveling and Auxiliary Leveling, or offset the Z-axis height at 0.01 mm accuracy. Get the perfect first layer with less hassle. 4.3-inch touchscreen featuring a wide viewing angle, sensitive response, and a tabbed user interface. A temperature PID control page is also added for easy adjustment. The PC spring steel sheet has 2 notches and a magnetic base for quick installation. The frosted PC surface is sticky to models, and the model can be removed right away with a slight bend. Number 4. Creality Official 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3D Printer is partially assembled, which makes it a great 3D printing project for schools and students. Industrial-grade circuit board technology adopted on Creality Ender 3D Printer is very mature and convincing. Creality Ender 3D Printer supports resume printing after power off or lapse occurs and with thermal runaway protection. Patented technology, V-slot plus precision pulley, enable the printer to run more smoothly, wear resistant and effectively. MK8 technology is adopted on this FDM3D printer. MK8 extrusion mechanism is used, a brand new patented infrastructure that effectively reduces the risk of plugging and poor spillage and can print almost all filaments that can be found in the market. CNC machining of the Y-rail mounting groove provides preciser positioning and higher printing quality. Big hand twist knot, making the print platform easy to level. Meet the needs of fast heating. Also, the use of 3D printing enclosure printing is recommended so as to accelerate heat dissipation. Number 5. JCH10M3D Printer. Dual extruder module and 2-inch 1-out hot end dual extruder realize printing multiple colors on same piece, allow you customize colors. DIY unique colors. A10M3D printer come with filament detector and break resuming capacity. If the electrical power is off, prints can be resumed from the last layer. Save your time and reducing the waste. A10M Mix Color 3D printer come with 90% pre-assembly. The modularized design provide you with easier assembly. A10M Keeping Prusa i3 printer gantry with 220 x 220 260 cubic millimeters makes the best of the building platform, guaranteeing excellent printing quality for the big printing project. The breaking resuming capacity. Save real-time printing status and resume the printing job exactly at the same place where it has been stopped. 3. Extruder, module and 3-inch 1-out hot end. The mix, color objects and your 3D printing offers enriching life. It only takes about 10 minutes to fix the Z-plane kit on the Cxy plane and install the cabling. Simple and practical. A10M Keeping Prusa i3 printer gantry with 220 x 220 260 cubic millimeters makes the best of the building platform, guaranteeing A10T is automatically stopped when the heating thread is consumed and the printing process continues with a single click after reloading the filament. The breaking resuming capacity. Save real-time printing status and resume the printing job exactly at the same place where it has been stopped.